So I got these little hat hooks because my husband and my sons are always wearing hats and I'm kind of finding them all over the house. And so I wanted a nice place where their hats can live and they can hang up nicely and not be on the floor or counters or chairs or wherever. So this pack comes in a set of 8, which is awesome. Gives us plenty to work with here. And all it is just a piece of plastic, really, with this 3M adhesive here. I love the feature of that because it means I don't have to do any drilling, and this can really go anywhere. So all we have to do is take this piece off, find a place, and then stick it on. Just gonna hold it there for about 30 seconds just to make sure that it's nice and secure. And now that it's on there, I can hang up the hats. What an easy solution. Now these hats will always be hung up and I'll never find them on the floor again ever, right?